quick, there's no one around. Ready?
Yeah, we're good. Hello, my name is Minda Lacey, and this is the Bitches in the Beehive kickstarting video. Bitches in the Beehive is a lyrically driven folk rock band with vaguely morbid psychedelic undertones and a lighthearted sweetness reminiscent of a cool breeze blowing through a chinchilla's belly fur.
Lonely we fall to face the uncertainty, but we're swimming in the dark.
Back in June, we started a project at Hollowed Hall's recording studio here in Portland, starting our first full-length album.
Be changing, but I think that they'll be alright. So close your eyes and fall.
We got 3 songs done, and we're really proud of them. They sound great. The reason we're doing this Kickstarter is to help us finish this album. We've already booked the time, and we have the songs. We've been practicing, we're tight, and we're super excited to get back into the studio. And with your help, we can make this happen. We already have the ball rolling, and any contribution helps.
Staring me down.
We're booking 2 consecutive days. We also have to hire an audio engineer and pay for mixing and mastering and productions.
All of that comes out to a whole bunch of money. A whole bunch of money.
Bitches in the Beehive started back in 2011 with me and my bassist Caleb Kalisher shyly jamming in our living room. We kind of took a break from the band because life happened and people went to school and moved away, but miraculously we live in the same house now.
Hi, my name is Brooklyn Barron, and I am a backup vocalist, rhythm guitarist, and kazooist in Bitches in the Beehive. It's been a really amazing project, and it was so cool to be in the studio, and that was one of the coolest experiences in my creative life. And I'm super excited to get back into the studio and record more.
Hi, I'm Lindsay, and I play the accordion and I do backup vocals, as well as doing a lot of the art for the band. We get to play shows all around Portland, and it's cool to hear people come up to us afterwards and really like it and want to have more. And I'm so excited to see what our recording project turns into, and I'm so excited to see our final album.
We already have the ball rolling, and any contribution helps. Thank you so much for watching and contributing.
Your conscience feel the light that resides in you so deep. I realize the walls are crumbling to the ground, and I don't need your heavy eyes. Stay